In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude a file or folder from being detected by Windows 11 Security Defender. Sometimes Windows Security can be a little overprotective and flag safe files like certain games, mods, or development tools. Instead of turning off your antivirus completely, which is risky, the safer option is to exclude just the specific file or folder you trust. I'll walk you through this step by step. First, go to your Windows desktop and open the Start menu. You can do this by clicking the Start button on the taskbar or by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Windows Security, then click on the Windows Security app from the results to open it. Once Windows Security is open, you'll see several protection areas. Look for the one labeled Virus and Threat Protection and click on it. This is where all your antivirus settings live. Inside the Virus and Threat Protection window, scroll down until you find a section called Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Under that, click on Manage Settings. This will open a new page with more detailed options. Now, scroll down again until you see a section called Exclusions. This is the area where you tell Windows Security which files or folders to ignore during scans. Click on Add or Remove Exclusions. If you're prompted by Windows to confirm, just accept so you can continue. In the Exclusions window, click on the button that says Add an exclusion. A small menu will appear with different options like File, Folder, File Type, or Process. Choose File if you want to exclude a single specific file, or choose Folder if you want to exclude an entire folder and everything inside it. After selecting File or Folder, a File Explorer window will open. Carefully navigate to the location of the file or folder you want to exclude. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the correct item, because anything you exclude will not be scanned by Defender. Once you've found it, click on it, and then click the Select Folder or Open button, depending on what you chose. You should now see your file or folder listed in the Exclusions area. That means Windows Security Defender will skip it during future scans. If you ever change your mind, you can return to this same Exclusions page and remove the entry. Always remember, only exclude files or folders that you are absolutely sure are safe, because excluded items will not be checked for threats.